Brilliant strategy is crafted in the boardroom, promising market leadership and growth. Yet most fail, not because they're flawed, but because they're never executed. The gap between plan and action is where pharma strategies die. Take a new diabetes drug launch. The strategy is perfect, but on the ground, reps use old materials and chase the wrong targets. The message gets lost, and value evaporates. This isn't rare, it's the norm. 70% of strategic initiatives fail to deliver value. The problem isn't thinking, it's doing. The link between leadership's vision and field action is broken. Execution is the missing discipline. Leaders often mistake announcing a strategy for implementing it. The result? Lost market share, disengaged employees, and eroded trust. Competitors who execute, even with weaker strategies, win. Closing the execution gap is a matter of survival. Execution isn't a detail, it's the core job of leadership. The first step is to recognize that execution is everything. That's where real leadership begins. To bridge the execution gap, you need a system, a repeatable process from boardroom to patient. Enter the plan-to-patient loop, a 5-step framework to turn strategy into reality. Step 1. Why? Distill your strategy into a clear mission everyone understands. Be the most trusted partner for cardiologists. Is a mission, increase market share, is just a target. Step 2. Align. Systems, hiring, training, rewards must support the mission. Don't reward call volume if you want deep doctor relationships. Step 3. Goals. Break the mission into concrete, measurable actions for every level. Everyone should know how their work drives success. Step 4. Empower. Give teams the tools, training, and authority to act. Trust and autonomy make teams agile and accountable. Step 5. Adapt. The market changes, so must you. Use real-time dashboards to track key metrics and adjust quickly. Are reps meeting the right doctors? Using new tools? What's the field saying? The plan-to-patient loop is a continuous cycle plan. Do. Adapt. Execution isn't a one-time push, it's a living process. Leaders must drive this loop relentlessly. When the system works, strategy becomes action. That's how you close the gap. That's how you win. The Area Business Manager, ABM, is the critical link between strategy and execution. Too often seen as mere supervisors, ABMs are actually translators, coaches, and feedback hubs. As translators, they turn corporate strategy into clear, actionable steps for their teams. As coaches, they build skills, give real-time feedback, and transform reps into trusted advisors. As feedback hubs, they channel market intelligence back to headquarters. ABMs see what's working, what's not, and what doctors really think. Their insights let leadership adapt fast. The ABM isn't just a manager, they're your most valuable strategic asset. Invest in their development and your execution will soar. Ignore them and your strategy will gather dust. Not all doctors are equal. 20% drive 80% of prescriptions. The biggest mistake, treating all doctors the same. Identify your whales using data and field intelligence. Focus your best reps and resources on these key doctors. For whales, reps must act as strategic partners, not just salespeople. Tailor engagement, solve their problems, share insights, build trust. Prioritize these accounts in your CRM and incentive plans. Serve the rest efficiently through digital channels. Ruthless focus on the vital few maximizes impact. This is strategic execution in action. Pharma is changing fast. What worked yesterday won't work tomorrow. 4 trends will define 2030: AI-augmented selling, precision medicine, digital-first engagement, and new care venues. AI will guide reps with real-time insights: who to see, what to say, when to act. Precision medicine means smaller, specialized markets and deeper scientific conversations. Digital engagement is now essential. Doctors want information on their terms across channels. The sales call is just one touch point in a digital journey. Care is moving beyond hospitals to pharmacies, outpatient centers, and homes. Pharma leaders must understand the whole patient journey, not just the doctor's office. Success means mastering AI science, digital, and new care models. The future belongs to those who adapt. See the whole ecosystem, not just one part. That's how you stay ahead. In a world of constant change, two traits matter most: adaptability and curiosity. Adaptable leaders pivot fast, treat strategy as a hypothesis, and build organizations that learn from failure. When data shows a new opportunity, they shift resources and retrain teams fast. Curiosity drives relentless learning about science, technology, and customer needs. Curious leaders ask, what problems can we solve for patients and doctors? They hire and reward people who challenge the status quo. They create cultures where it's safe to question and experiment. The best leaders are chief questioners, not chief answerers. In the next decade, speed of learning and adaptation will define success. Strategy matters, but learning faster matters more. Winning in 2030 isn't about a magical strategy. It's about disciplined execution. Close the gap between ambition and results with focus and new leadership. Make the plan to patient loop your operating system. Clear mission, aligned systems, cascaded goals, empowered teams, and constant adaptation. Elevate ABMs as strategic leaders, translators, coaches, and feedback hubs. Focus your field force on the vital few doctors who drive your business. Use digital channels for the rest. Embrace AI, precision medicine, digital engagement, and new care venues. Build a culture of learning and adaptability. The future is a process, not a destination. Your ability to execute and adapt will determine your place in it. Lead with discipline, curiosity, and speed. That's how you win the future of pharma.